Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for the best micro oven to make cooking faster, easier, and more efficient, you're in the right place. Choosing the right micro oven is key for a modern kitchen, as it affects convenience, performance, and value for money. In this video, I'll review top options, highlight the most important features, and help you confidently pick the perfect micro oven for your needs and budget. Please check the description below for each product link. Product 1. The Black Plus Decker 0.7 cubic foot stainless steel microwave is a compact and efficient solution for everyday cooking needs. It delivers 700 watts of power with 10 adjustable settings, a 30-second express cook option, and a built-in clock and kitchen timer for added convenience. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, pizza, potatoes, frozen vegetables, beverages, and dinner plates make cooking simple and fast. The sleek design includes a removable 10-inch glass turntable, LED display, interior light, child safety lock, and push-button door release. Ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or offices, it offers solid performance and good value for money. Product 2. This Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet countertop microwave oven delivers a mix of power, convenience, and modern style for everyday use. It offers 1,000 watts of cooking output with 1,600 watts input power, handling reheating and cooking tasks efficiently. Compact external dimensions fit apartments or offices, while the spacious interior and 12.4-inch glass turntable accommodates standard plates easily. Smart sensor technology adjusts time and power for even results. 6 preset menus, 10 power levels, clock, kitchen timer, easy defrost, and one-touch start add flexibility. Users like its sleek design, intuitive controls, and value, though noise and long-term durability receive mixed feedback. Product 3. The Comfy's 0.7 cubic foot 700 watt microwave oven is a compact and versatile kitchen companion, perfect for apartments, dorms, offices, or vacation homes. It features convenient one-touch cooking, 11 power levels, a mute button for silent operation, and a removable 10-inch glass turntable, making everyday cooking effortless. Easy auto-cook functions include popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen veggies, beverages, and reheating, while one-touch express cooking and plus 30-second functions add flexibility. 2 defrost settings let you thaw by weight or time, and the bright LED display with clock, kitchen timer, and interior light keeps you informed at a glance. Energy-saving eco mode reduces standby power by 50%, and a child safety lock ensures secure use. Customers love its retro design, practical size, and overall value, making it a smart and reliable choice for small spaces. Product 4. The Gallon's 0.7 cubic foot 700 watt countertop microwave oven is a compact and versatile kitchen companion, ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, or rec rooms. Featuring 6 variable power levels, it allows easy cooking, reheating, and defrosting by time or weight, while the interior light lets you monitor food without opening the door. A child safety lock ensures secure use, and the bright LED display clearly shows cooking time and signals completion with 3 beeps. The 360 degrees rotating glass turntable promotes even heating for delicious results, and the fun retro design adds style to any space. With one-touch menu options, adjustable settings, and a simple pull handle, this microwave is convenient, easy to use, and an affordable choice, offering both functionality and charm for $40, though some users report mixed longevity.